other cat. Okay. So, catnip affects cats differently, of course. So, for some cats, it's the scent that they really like. For this cat, it's the taste. Oh gosh. Sorry I'm out of breath because I've had to chase these cats around. Alright. Whew. The cat from part 1 is in the bathroom now, and I probably should have tested catnip with him before, because the first time, this was his first time experiencing catnip, so he's kind of out of it completely. He's like, he's meowing, he's hissing, he's a complete mess. This kitty though, this is probably around her 100th time experiencing catnip, so she definitely is a senior. She has experienced this before, so yeah, I'm just gonna let her roll around in it, because just, yeah, get it all over you. There you go. You need to be relaxed. Okay. Oh, bless you. Okay.